It's been about 10 days since my last progress update on my Davidson Chugger, so I'll show you what I've done. This is one of the front side windows. That was plexiglass, very bad condition. Nothing worse than looking through crappy old plexiglass. And this is the hatch, forward hatch, well, the only hatch in the forward section. So I made a new hatch out of plexiglass, installed that, and I installed the two forward side windows, 3mm tempered glass. A bit of a bend in it, but not everyone may know that you can actually bend tempered glass quite a bit before it, well, not quite a bit, a fair amount before it breaks. So that's those windows. I also scraped years of paint and gunge off the bottom of the hull and put on 3 coats of barrier paint, Interlux Interprotect, and 2 coats of anti-fouling paint, Pettit Horizons, black as you can see. And I did all this while it was on the trailer, which, believe me, is not a lot of fun. You have to be a bit of a contortionist to work under this. I ended up taking the bunks off the trailer and working around that and jacking up the boat here and there to get the job done. But that's a milestone, I guess. Now I can take the boat out if I want for a spin again. I also installed the head, which I put together out of 2 dead ones that I found in the dumpster at the marina. It works quite well. Tried it out before I installed it. I put in new seacocks, well, through-hulls and marine ball valves. Put the backing plates in that I glassed over. Where is it? Can I show you this one? Anyway. Yeah, and it's all bonded. This is terrible. Sorry about the crappy videoing. You'll have to take my word for it. So these are the new windows inside. Much better than looking through that terrible plexiglass. And the new hatch. And a piece of plywood for the floor. And this forward cabin section, which I will glass in and cut an inspection hatch. I think that's all I've done in 10 days. Doesn't look like much, but it was actually a lot of work.